Today, we're diving into the Wendry Crimson Open Chassis, a marvel of engineering that promises the ultimate DIY PC building experience. Crafted with a light and compact bare frame of building blocks, this chassis boasts easy disassembly and stackability, ideal for enthusiasts who love to tinker with their setups. Its support for M-ATX motherboards ensures compatibility with a wide range of components, while the 20x20 aluminum profile provides a stable vertical structure point. One of the standout features of the Wendry Crimson is its open chassis design, which facilitates excellent heat dissipation. This is further complemented by support for independent graphics cards, allowing users to harness the full power of their GPUs without worrying about overheating. Additionally, the chassis supports ATX ordinary power supplies, adding to its versatility. Constructed with simple aluminum profiles, the Wendry Crimson prioritizes the DIY ethos, inviting users to fully immerse themselves in the joy of building their dream PC rig. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a newcomer to the world of PC building, this chassis offers a canvas for creativity and customization like no other. In terms of expandability, the Wendry Crimson doesn't disappoint, with 7 expansion slots and support for 3.5-inch hard disk form factors. This means you'll have plenty of room to grow and evolve your setup over time, adapting to your changing needs and preferences. Overall, the Wendry Crimson Open Chassis is a testament to innovation and craftsmanship in the world of PC hardware. With its combination of sleek design, robust construction, and ample features, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to take their DIY PC building journey to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.